Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this product. It's a relief cap and it's a headache or for migraine. Okay, I like it, this product, for two reasons. The first one, it's because you can use it cold or hot for a therapy. And the second one is because it has no velcro, so it won't pull your hair. Okay, another thing is that it's a 360 full coverage. It is a light blocking design, so I think it's perfect when you're trying to sleep. Okay, and it's easily to put on and put off. It's perfect for ponytails and or hair down. Like you can see, I'm always with my ponytail, so I think this product, it will be perfect. And it is also stretchable and one size fits all. Okay, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to try it. The first thing we see, it's the product. Okay, and wow, it's super comfortable, it's very soft. And the second thing, it's the user manual. Okay, so I'm going to show you the product. As you can see, it like falls down, so it's very cool. That okay, it's like this, the product. Okay, like this. Really, if you can touch it, it's very soft, very cool. Okay, and it's stretchable, so I think it will be perfect. Okay, and I also like it because it's like no light, so you can use it in the night. So I'm going to read the instructions. Okay. It says just to in the microwave you need to leave it for 45 minutes, and in the fridge or cold, or if you want to do it cold, you can put it for 30 minutes like in the freezer, and it will be like a hell ice cap. So and it says also to repeat heating while dry out the hell ice cap and shorten its services life. Okay, it comes here in the user manual. So I think today I'm going to leave it in the microwave for maybe like 45 seconds. That is what it comes here. Okay guys, so I'm going to put it inside the microwave here. Okay, I'm just going to put it like that, like it's new. I want to put it like that. Okay, and then I'm going to put 45 seconds. Okay, there it's the time, so I'm going to put 45 and then start, and I'm going to wait. Okay, it already finished the product. Okay, wow, it's like, let me show you. Okay guys, the product, it's hot, but it's like a good type. I put it like for 1 minute, like a complete minute, and I think it's perfect. I'm going to try to put it. It says in the images that this part, it goes here in your nose. Okay, so I'm going to try to put it, and I'm going to show you how it like function. Okay, it goes like this. I think that I look like very funny. I like it like hot, but I think that I will prefer cold, so I think I'm going to leave it from 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. But okay, it's very comfortable. Like you can see, I have here my ponytail. Okay, it's here, and it's perfect because it has like a stretch, it's like a stretch product. Okay, I like it. I think that it's just like you can see, I'm red because I think it's like hot. Okay, I can feel like my face better, but it's like this, a product. I like it too much, really.